بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Okay, students, are you ready? Today I am here to teach you a new topic, that is ascending and descending order. What? Ascending and descending order. Take out your books from bags. Open page 19 and look at the topic ascending and descending order. Here is example 14. Read with me. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Students, here 4 numbers are given to you. That is 12,144, 8,925, 28,560, 19,924. We will arrange these numbers in ascending order. Student, as you know that ascending means moving from lowest number to the highest number. We have 4 numbers. First of all, we will arrange it from the smallest to the biggest number, and then we will write the numbers. For this, we have steps, 2 steps. Now come to step 1 in solution. Look here. Compare the digits at 10,000 place. For arranging these numbers, first of all, we will follow the place value chart. Look at the chart. There are 5-digit numbers in ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. To find the smallest number, first of all, we will compare numbers in 10,000s place value. Look at the red circle. We have numbers. The first is 1, the second number is 0, the third is 2, and the fourth one is 1. First of all, find out the lowest number. 0. 0 is the lowest number, and then the highest number is 2. And the remaining 2 numbers are same, that is 1. So we can easily find out the smallest number, which is 8,925, and the greatest number, which is 28,560. Now turn the page. We find out that 0 is the smallest number at 10,000's place. So 8,925 is the smallest number. Look at 2. 2 is the greatest number at 10,000 place. So 28,560 is the greatest number. Now come to step 2. By comparing the other two numbers, compare the digits at 10,000 place. The digits are same. Now compare the digits at 8,000 place. Now students, look at the place value chart. We skipped the greatest and smallest number from this table. Now we have the two numbers, the remaining two numbers. Now look, in 10,000's place, 1 is the same value in both numbers. Now we will compare in thousands place. We will compare the numbers in thousands place. As you know, 2 is the smallest number and 9 is the greatest number. Therefore, we can easily find that the upper number is the smallest and this one number 19,924 is the greatest number. Since 9 is the greater number and 2 is less number, hence 12,144 is the smallest number, and now look, 19,924 is greater than 12,144. Student, in these two steps, we found the smallest, the greatest numbers and the middle numbers. Now in step 3, we will just arrange the numbers from smaller to greater number. Now look here, in ascending order, we have stairs. On lower stair, we will write the smallest number, that is 8,925. After this, 12,144, then 19,924, and the greater number is 28,560. Or we can write it same like this. Now students, to teach you better, have a look on board. You have example 14. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. These are the 4 numbers. I made a table here. Look at ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000s. We have these 4 numbers in arranged form in table. Look at the first number, 12,144, 8,925, 28,560, 19,924. Now we will compare the numbers in 10,000's place first. First, you will find the smallest number, that is 0. Therefore, all the number 8,925 is the smaller number. And look at 2. 2 is the greatest number. Therefore, 28,560 is the greatest number. And the remaining 2 numbers have the first number 1 and that are same. So easily we have 0 number, which is the smallest number, and 2 is the greatest number. Now we will remove the greater and smaller number, the greatest and smallest number, and then we will compare both the numbers. We have 1 in both numbers in 10,000's place, they are same. Therefore, we will leave 10,000's and we will compare thousands place. Now look, 2 is smaller number and 9 is greater number. Therefore, 12,144 is smaller number and 19,924 is the greater number. 2 is smaller number, 9 is greater number. Dear students, in step 3, we will arrange all the numbers in sequence in ascending order from smallest to the greatest number. Now look, 8925 is the smallest number. After this, the small number is 12,144. The other number is 19,224 and the greatest number is 28,560. It is in arranged form and it is called ascending order. Prepare yourself for homework task. Your homework task is on page 22. Question number 3 in neat notebooks. The question is to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Note it that you will write it in neat notebooks neatly. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.